Charging hubs are growing fast. More chargers, more power, more energy to manage. What starts small quickly becomes bigger. As more and more chargers are getting connected, grid requirements are getting stricter. Power must be controllable, performance must be reliable, sites must stay compliant. And in markets like Germany and Austria, the challenge multiplies. More than 800 distribution system operators, or DSO, each with different rules, interfaces and requirements. What works at one site often fails at the next. Scaling becomes slow, complex, risky. This is where the FLEXBOX comes in. One box for DSO integration, asset networking, and local load and energy management. Installed directly at the transformer, the FLEXBOX sits at the heart of the charging hub. It becomes the central standardized control and connectivity point. Chargers, batteries, solar, buildings, and grid all connect through the FLEXBOX. The result? A clean, controlled, grid-compliant charging hub. Standardized across region and markets, ready to scale.